I just wake up and I feel like it's gonna be a good day. And I had forgotten what that is like. And it's so much fun being happy. My name's Renee. I'm a mom of 2. I'm a retired RN and I currently work as an administrative assistant. The list is so long of all the things and all the reasons why I would need to be here. The first head injury started at 5 years of age. The worst one was in 2011 where I hit my head, where I felt like rage hit and joy left. And I decided I'm tired of living like that. And so I came here. Chronic headaches, they started in 2018 where I felt like 67% of my life I was in bed because I couldn't function. Didn't feel like I was a good mom or a good wife. I have grown up in a chiropractor's office. I've tried different forms of chiropractic with muscle work, with myofascial work. I've done hyperbaric, sauna, but I didn't feel like anything really solved the problem, and I still struggled. So I found the Brain Restore program on a Facebook ad. The thing that intrigued me about the Brain Restore program was that they did a brain scan and then a thorough neural exam. I've had neuro exams before, but this one was way more involved and way more in depth than I've ever had before, even from neurologists. In reading the Restoring Your Brain Health book, I was really intrigued by the multifaceted approach towards brain health. It just gave me so much hope, knowing that there's so many things that are focused on what my body and what my injuries need. So one of the main reasons that I came to Brain Restore was because I was struggling so much with being happy. I have 2 young sons. I have one that wants to get engaged, and I'm looking at my life in the future with grandkids or whatnot, and I wanted to be able to function, to be able to enjoy them, and to be happy. So one of the things that I really liked about the Brain Restore program was the low-level laser therapy for your brain, that they can get your cells working properly. I felt like I have tried the nutrition, I've tried hyperbaric, I've tried sauna, and like I said, things have kind of worked, but I felt like there was still a key missing. Decided I'm tired of living life without any joy. And so one of the most exciting things in the last 3 to 4 weeks has been the fact that I am looking forward to each day. I just wake up and I feel like it's gonna be a good day, and I had forgotten what that is like. And it's so much fun being happy. So what I would say to anybody else who's struggling with neurological issues, problems with functionality, memory loss, your brain health, is that this is a ray of hope, and you can have some hope. It's a very exciting, and the progress I've had was unexpected, and I'm so excited for the next couple months and the next 2 phases.